Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to create a single quote block for each topic in Notion, and it gets randomly selected each time you open that page. So this is the block. It can look like this, or it can look like this. So I'm going to show you how to make that. So firstly, you have to set up two databases. So you've got your quotes database and your topics database. And next, you need to create a random number for every quote. So the way you do that is with this formula here. So I got this formula from this guy. I will link to him in the description. So thank you very much, Tim. So you take that formula. We will call it random number. And just paste it in. Yes, now we've got a random number for every quote. And we want to link each quote to its respective topic. So we will add a relation. And then for each quote, so this is a personal growth quote. This one is about learning. This is a learning one. And this is a personal growth one. So now we want to find the maximum of each of these numbers for each topic. So the way we do that is quite easy. We come down here in the topics database and we create a roll-up. Select quotes, property random number, and show the max. So now that's showing the max number for each quote in each topic. And now to relate that back to the quotes database, we need to do a Notion thing, which is to create a formula that equals the roll-up, because roll-ups can't look at roll-ups. So this is just a way to get around that. So, boom. And we can call this max number roll-up. And we'll call this one max number formula. And then we go back to the quotes database. We go another roll-up. And we will grab that one max number formula. And you have to go max here, otherwise it will break. And then we are going to create a formula that returns true if the random number is equal to this number. And this number we will call max number. So for that formula, you just go if random number equals max number, return true, not return false. You have to do 2 equals, and there you go. And this one we will call is selected. Cool, now that's all set up. So now we go into our topic pages, and we are going to create a linked view to that database. quotes. And now we're going to filter it by topic and by is selected, checked. And now we can change how this looks. So for this one, we'll set it up as the gallery and card preview none, card size small, and we'll show the author. We'll get rid of that, and then if we want to move it over to the side, 2 columns, like that. Just copy this block over. Actually, we'll copy the whole thing over to this topic, and then we will change that filter to personal growth. Change this to the feed. And we will show author. Cool. And now, so this works. So you can add in a new quote to the topic you want, and it will just get saved in there. And now we have to test to see that it's randomizing properly. So we will just close it, open another one. Not sure if those were the same ones. Figure out what you want. And then now that's showing that new quote. So that's everything. Hope you liked it.